Everyone, and good morning. I am back with a new weekly giveaway and lots of goodies this week to give away. Last week's giveaway was a real success and I will be posting out the goodies today. I've got them all ready here, packed up to go. Well, they're going to be put in another envelope actually, because look, it's not good, but they're all ready. I just need to put a new envelope and get them sent off. So this is what's up for grabs this week, and there's a bit of an assortment going on here. I thought I'd add a few more little bits and pieces this week. So I have some pockets that I've made, obviously for junk journals, etc. And we have this flip out one here, which is just coffee dyed paper, and it flips out and you just put it onto the page. So you would just clip it onto the side of a page, and it's just got some old book page, a vintage stamp, and a lovely butterfly there. And then we have this book page pocket, which you can have as a double pocket, you can have it as a tuck, and it's just got some old ephemera, some lace, and a lovely image and some stamping going on there. We have, I'll leave these till last. Right, I have a stamp set, which is these lovely watch faces and stopwatch. Just really cute for your projects. And I have this one. So this was one that I actually ordered twice. So it is a great stamp set to have in your stash. Some bling, because we can never have enough bling, so there's a lovely big sheet of bling there. Also have some of these lovely burlap glittery tags, which are cute as well to decorate up and put in your journals or just on gifts. And then I have some lovely bits and pieces here. So I have some gorgeous fabric flowers. I mean, look at those. They are just beautiful. So there's 4 of those. And 2 of these ones, which are really adorable as well. So we have some lovely flowers. I've also put in some like journal or book corners. And these are protectors. These would go on, let me just grab a book. So if you're doing an altered book and you've got one that, you know, you want to protect the corners, they would just go on the corner of your book, and you just get a pair of pliers and clip them on. They're so easy to put on. So I have 4 of these ones. Oops, get out. 4 of those. And then I have 4 of these smaller ones, which, let me grab a smaller book. And you would just, the same thing, you would just put your, look at that, it's so cute. Just adorable. I love these little tiny ones. They're really cute. Really adorable. So there are 4 of those. So enough for you to do 2 books with that. I also have a book plate cover. This is a, Tim Holtz book plate. And that would go on the front of, let me grab, so many books here. That would go on the front of a journal or a book. And you just have these little, brads. That would, you make 2 holes and put the brads in. So must not lose your tiny little brads to go with the book plate. And then I have these kind of like stick pin things that you would, just stick. Oh, I can't even open it. But it's got like a split pin there, and you would put a, that's not a very good bit of card, but you would open it up and, well, I've not used these yet, so send me a photo of what you use them with. Okay, and then these I have actually made myself. I say made just myself. I didn't make the bulb pins, but I rusted them. Look. So rusty bulb pins. And you're thinking, why are you giving me rusty bulb pins, Channelle? Because they're the in thing to have rusty things for your ephemera and tags, etc. So I will do a process video on how to rust your own things and age them. Look how cool they are. So cool. So I don't know how many's there, but there's quite a few of these rusty bulb pins. And then, oops, I have some little bits of fabric here, and it's just an assortment of fabric scraps that you can use on your projects. This is a nice fleecy one, just so that it gives you texture in your journals. This is a lovely velvety floral piece. We have some lovely just patterned, I don't know if this is cotton or I don't know. I'm not very good at my fabrics, I'm afraid. This has got zigzags on, a stripy piece, a plain one, a little patterned piece, and one with seashells on. So, you know, you can have, excuse me, some fun with texture in your journals or your projects. So that is what's up for grabs on this week's giveaway. So an assortment of things. I'm trying to make them very varied. And all you have to do to be in for a chance to win these goodies is to leave a comment in the comments below. And, you know, just say hi. Just tell me a little bit more about you. I'm getting to know you all. You know, a lot of you are my regulars. But it's just lovely to hear from you. So just leave a comment below. And the competition will end this Sunday at midnight, which is the, oh God, first, hang on, I think, first, second, third. Will end at midnight on the 3rd of February, and I will announce the winner on Monday the 4th. There you go. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe, and good luck everybody. Take care. Bye bye.